Gabrielle, are you ready for the campfire?
So ready. I'm so hot.
We're ready for the campfire.
Reagan, welcome to campfire. I bet it's probably one of your first campfires ever. Alright, y'all. So, if you haven't been to a campfire before, welcome. Cheeky, get outside! Cheeky, all outside! Cheeky, freestyle!
Set up, boom, chicka boom!
I said a boom, chicka boom!
I said up,
Rock a chicka boom!
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
You want s'mores?
Let me give you your super hot dogs!
She says, yeah, look at me, I'm just drooling for him.
Alright, so now we're lining up on the pier to get our s'mores because the campfire is coming to an end, and the end of a campfire always has s'mores. This is Jacqueline's first campfire along with Ryan and Reagan. Oh yeah, marshmallows. Look at this.
What's wrong with it, dog?
I didn't know if Mom wanted to be.
Mom, did you burn yours?
Alright, thanks.
Are you guys eating some s'mores?